Hey, folks. Hey, what's going on? Hey, this is Wesley. Billion dollar virgin. Hey, guys, check it out, man. Look at the screen right here. Imagine earning 25 bucks right here by clicking one button. It's super easy, super simple. This is not clickbait. This is the real deal. I'm going to show you proof, right? All you knew is, it's crazy, right? Like the internet and the make money online industry is insane right now. There's so many people making money, and I'm going to show you how simple it is to make this money right now. All I ask you to do is this. If you like the video, smash like at the end. If you want to show me some love, comment below and say, Wesley, I love you. Keep making these videos here. Listen, anybody can do this. This is great for people who are brand new teenagers, people that have jobs that are looking to quit their job. This is a very, very exclusive online technique that usually people pay money for. But Wesley Virgin decided to do it for free for you. Why? Because I love you and I want you to make money. I'm tired of you being broke, and I'm listen, I love you guys, but you be in my DM like, I'm broke, Wes. I ain't got no money. So Wesley Virgin is trying to teach you how to fish instead of fishing for you. In this video here, I'm going to show you undeniable proof that you can do this. It costs no money, no skill. And honestly, it's going to be one button you click and $25. Again, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. It just keeps coming. Okay. And listen, let me leave you with a quote before we get started right now. The one who takes action likes how fast he or she will get results now. That's not Nietzsche, and that's not Seneca. That is King West. Which, remember something, okay? This video is not going to make you rich. You taking action is going to allow you to make money by watching the video, okay? Is that cool? All right, look. First step is this. I'm going to move fast, but I'm going to go slow for some of you because I know some of you are slow. You big-headed people, you're just kind of slow. And I get it because I used to be slow too. Go to peopleperhour.com. Smash the like button once you're at peopleperhour.com. This is a step-by-step tutorial. I'm going to go slow. And just hit the like button if you want me to move on, okay? All right, so basically, peopleperhour.com is a website that people post projects on, okay? Just projects, right? And I know what you're thinking. You said, well, Wesley, you want me to sign up to this website, right? Yes. But listen, you don't need to be an expert. I promise you, you don't need any skill. Okay, you don't need any skill. Only skill you need is using your finger to click on the sign up button right here. If you can do that, then you're good to go. You're going to click sign up, and you don't need to know how to do nothing. I promise you, I promise you. Oh my God. I want you to make money online so bad because I feel bad that I'm making all this money and other people are not joining me. Jesus, listen, you're going to click on I want to work as a freelancer. Hit the like button if you have done that. We're going to go step by step, and I'm going to go slow. I'm talking about third grade slow. Okay? Click on that button. It's going to take 3 minutes because you have to apply. You fill out the information like your name, your bank account, where they're going to send the money to, right? And your skills, and just put it in there. All right? Now, listen. Once you get approved in 24 hours, this is what you're going to do. You're going to target on something very, very targeted niche on this website that many people on the internet don't know about, okay? But I'm going to give it to you here for free. Type in these words. Remove. If you're with me, say, I'm with you, Wes, okay? Make sure I didn't lose you. Remove background, okay? Background removal. Now, this sounds weird, right? But can you imagine this? This guy right now, he has made $10,000 removing backgrounds from images. Listen, guys, have you ever taken a picture and maybe you didn't like the background, or maybe you didn't like the girl or the guy that was in the background with you and you want to remove it? Well, this guy, for $10, he does it for you. He's made over $10,000. And the great thing about this guy, this is worldwide. This guy's from India. Like Dabrata. Who are you, Dabrata? That's my boy, Dabrata. I want to be like Dabrata. You're going to be just like this guy, okay? Listen, it's worldwide. Anybody can do this, all right? You can be a student. You can be a single mom at home. It doesn't matter. Listen, let me click on this image for you. This guy's getting paid right now a ton of money, $10,000, just to remove a freaking background image. And the great thing about it, like I promised you, I'm going to give you the software that's going to do it for you. Because I know what you guys thinking. You may, Wesley, I'm not a photo editor. I don't know how to use all these fancy photo editing programs. You don't have to do that. Like I promised in this video, a click of a button, boom, background gone. Okay? Click of a button. Because that's what this guy's doing. He's making 10 grand to do that, okay? And I know what you guys thinking too. Well, Wesley, once I create my profile, how am I going to get people to actually get my stuff? What if you listen, big head? Wesley $1 billion Virgin is going to show you the ropes. So listen and watch to the very end. Is that cool? Now listen, check this out. So once you create your profile, okay, on here, this is what you're going to do. You're going to do the same thing that Burger King did to McDonald's. Bank of America did to Chase. Okay? All you're going to do is this. Batman did to Robin, or Robin did to Batman. You're going to click on this guy's profile because right now this is very popular. You're going to click on it and you're going to model it. Does that make sense? Comment the word model. Okay? Listen, I never shared this story before, but before I made a ton of money, I thought I was innovative. I thought I can do it all by myself. And I said, no, I'm going to create something new. And I was a new broke person every single day. Listen, if you want to be wealthy, if you want to start making money, just model other people who do well. Everybody does it. The toilet paper people does it. How many different toilet paper is on the planet that clean your little nasty butt? Think about it. How many bottles do they make for babies? How many tires do they make for cars? Many. Everybody's winning except you because you refuse to model. That's what I do. That's why I'm rich. You're going to model this guy's profile. Does that make sense? Everything that you see, just model it. Copy it. Okay? That's it. All right? I mean, how many ways can you make a burger? McDonald's and Burger King? It's the same piss poor meat. That's going to kill you one day. Does that make sense, guys? Are you with me? All right? So you're going to model this guy's profile here, okay? And I'm going to show you how to get thousands of people to sign up for your stuff so you can see people to hit that buy now button over and over again because that's what you want. You want people to hit buy now, just like this guy from India here, okay? You're going to model the profile, okay, on this site. You're going to model this guy because this guy is ranking very high and this guy profile is prestigious. And many people are clicking here because he's the first person that shows up. And I, Wesley Virgin, is going to show you how to do that too. Is that cool? Right? Like I told you, it's no clickbait. Listen, this is how you're going to go to removebg.com. See, look, Wesley $1 billion Virgin. Some people call me king and some people call me daddy. Listen, this website will remove any background from any image. And let me show you proof. Look at this. Upload image. All right, we're going to scroll down. Let's scroll down. Let me see. Hold up. Where's Wesley Virgin? Wesley, where you at? I don't know. I'm trying to show you guys. Where's that picture at? Okay, hold on. I mean, I've already did it, so I'm trying to do it again. It was Wesley Virgin in a suit. I want to show you guys, but... all right. Oh, God. I give an example. You see this picture right here? So this picture used to have a background, but it removes the background. Okay. I just want to show you me because I look extra handsome in this picture. So I was looking for that picture, but listen, we could do another picture. Let's do another picture. Okay. Okay. Let's show you undeniable proof here. How about my kiddos? Where my kiddos at? Okay. If you're with me, smash the like button or comment below. Let me know that you're with me here. I want to go super slow for you, okay? All right, let's do this picture right here. Me and my kiddos, okay? Yes, I'm a family man. Look, background there. Hold up, there. It's gone. Look at that background gone. That's my son, baby girl, friends of girls, right? Background gone. You just hit the download button like that. Boom, bada bing. Bye, y'all. Look at that. Background is gone, y'all. So this is how this guy's making so much money. See, stop paying people to do that, right? It's like free. It took me 5 seconds to click the button to get paid to make money online so I can leave the job. Does it make sense? So listen, all you do is do that over and over again for on this site once you create your project, okay? Now, I know what your question is. It's almost like I can read your mind. You may say, Wesley, well, how do I get more people, okay, to buy my gig, right? Because I hate my job, Wes. I cry every day. I can't stand. I'm making $10 an hour, $20 an hour, $15 an hour. I can't stand. I've been there for 10 years, Wes. I want to get out. I need financial freedom now. Listen, watch this. Go to google.com. Type in photo editing forum, okay? Now, listen, in the comments below, I know a lot of you are like, man, I love this guy because he just give all this value for free. I have nothing to sell at all. All I have is free information here. Listen, watch this. So this is how gurus do it, right? Photo editing forum, and it's a forum for everything, by the way. Look, you click on this button here, and basically you sign up for free, and you just spend your days here, or a couple of hours, just basically reaching out to people and say, hey, who wants their background removed on their picture in 1 hour? That's what I would do. I would message people. I would do posts. But these people are the market, right? Photography talk, right? People talk about photography. I don't know, right? All day. And all you're going to do is when people reach out to you, they're going to be like, yeah, man, you can remove it? Yeah, man, I'm going to do it right now for you in like 10 minutes. 10 minutes? How are you going to do that? Don't worry. Send me the photo. Send me the image. I'm going to show you. And all you do is go here, right? Go to removebg.com, click upload, find the image. Let's find another image here. Hold on. Let's see what we got here. I can't show you guys any nude images if you don't. I can't do that. I'm sorry, guys. I can't do that. Look at that. Bada boom, bada bing. Go! Background is gone again. Download it. That took 5 seconds, right? Where's the Lamborghini, Wes? I don't know. Where's the Lambo? It's gone. Ooh, that boy look good. Look at him. Okay. All right. Let me stop there. Listen. Listen. I want you guys to believe that you can do this. Okay. And listen. This is how you start to make more and more money every single day. Once you go here, okay, and you start to get traction, because you're reaching out to people, people are going to know you by the person that can just remove backgrounds very quickly here, okay? And they're going to go here, and they're going to order your gig on this page here. You want to get every person that orders your gig, you can do this like tonight, to write a review, because that's how you get ranked, okay? Write a review, 5 stars. Just say, if you don't mind, can you just write a review? Make sense? Okay? That's it. Over and over again. And then, like less than a month, if you do this right, this can happen in a couple of days. Then, anytime someone types in remove background, removal, okay, hello. Okay, whenever they type in remove background here, or background removal, then you're going to top up, okay? That's just how it works. That's how the gurus does it. How many of you can do this? Comment below, I can do this now, okay? It's just so simple to do. You can do this right now. It's worldwide. It doesn't matter how old you are. As long as you have access to a bank account, PayPal, Skrill, Bitcoin, whatever, they're going to pay you, okay? And I will spend time on this site. And remember, or always remember something, guys. Smash the like button if you want me to give you an auto way to do it. Because I know some of you are so lazy and some of you are just too busy. You know, you may say, Wesley, I love you. I love this technique, but I'm just busy. I'm so busy. Is it an automatic way to do this? You know, because I'm just a busy guy. I'm a busy girl. You know what I mean? I want to spend time with the kiddos now. Listen, this is what you do. And you better show me some love for this, okay? Show me some love for this one. Look, you go to Fiverr.com. And just type in virtual assistant. That's all you got to do. And you pay somebody $5 to do it. Okay. You pay somebody $5. Listen, people sub to my channel and they like my videos, not just because I say, Wesley, billion dollar. They sub and like it because I'm just transparent and real. But listen, I can't make you do the work. You got to go out there and do it. You hire this girl. She cute. But I wouldn't pay her $25. She ain't that cute. Look, $10. I'll play this young lady $10 to do it all for me. Why do you think I have 15 companies online? Like, listen, in the description below, I'm going to leave a link. If you want me to help you, I can show anybody on the planet that's willing to learn, that's willing to take some time with me in this course, I can teach you how to do this. It's simple to make money online. It's just simple. It's so easy to do it. I don't know what else to say. So you hire a person like this and say, if you're too lazy to watch the video, tell them to watch the video and do exactly what I just told you to do in the video. Okay? Listen, before I leave here, before you like this video, and I appreciate if you do, before you sub to the channel, I want you to believe that you can do this. As a matter of fact, before you leave, and I can see you, big head, and I can smell you too. You stink. I'm just kidding. Hey, believe that you can do this. Comment below. I can do this. Go ahead. I can do this. With that belief, with that one belief, even if you have to watch this video over and over again now, like you have to keep watching until you get it, I promise you, you will get it. Okay, repetition is the mother of skill. You have to go through it over and over again, and you will get it. Just like riding a bike, just like walking, just like tying your shoe. You got to go through it over and over again, and you will get it. And you will be like this guy making 10,000. This guy, he made like what's 1,000? Like this is like 10,000, $14,000. This guy's making that paper right now. I love you guys so much. Remember, in the link below, if you need help, online help from me, if you want me to teach you how to create products very quickly in 45 days to virtually guarantee you to make $10,000 per month. Anybody can do this. I do this all day, every day. I will leave a link under this video below. Much love. Thanks for the love. This is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin, motivated, dedicated. Let's go. Ah.